Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix weekly limit reach. You have reached the weekly deactivation limit for this Instagram account. Try again in 7 days. For example, if you try to deactivate your account on iPhone and you see this kind of error, for example, as you click on deactivate account and click on continue, you see this kind of error on your iPhone. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page. And first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app. And after searching for the Instagram app, you have to simply check whether you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating, you have to simply open the Instagram app again. And here if you click on continue, then you can simply find the error. But if you want to deactivate your account, then there is also another option. You have to simply click on delete account. So you can simply see that your account will be temporarily deactivated, but for some days. But if you log in again, then you can simply reactivate it again. So if you select a temporary deleting account, then you have the time limit that you can simply log in into your account, and after that your account will be deactivated again. So if you do not find the option for deactivating, then you can simply choose a deleting account, because it works the same. For before time limit, you can simply log in again and it works as same like you deactivate your account. So you have to simply click on continue, and after that you have to provide your password, and after providing the password, your account will be deleted, and before that your account will be deactivated for some days before permanently deleting. So in this way you can simply deactivate your account as you see this kind of error. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.